5 quotes about genius. There is a fine line between genius and insanity. I have erased this line. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex, and more violent. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Talent hits a target no one else can hit. Genius hits a target no one else can see. Man who invented the hamburger was smart. Man who invented the cheeseburger was a genius. 5 quotes about education. I didn't fail the test. I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. If education doesn't solve a problem, then it is a problem. If the educated do not solve the problems, then they are the problems. 5 quotes about never giving up. When you get into a tight place and everything goes against you, till it seems as though you could not hang on a minute longer, never give up then. For that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. Keep going. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. It doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down. All that matters is you get up one more time than you were knocked down. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes it's the quiet voice at the end of the day whispering, I will try again tomorrow. You are likely to fall when you stop paddling your bicycle. Such is life. As long as you don't give up, you will never end up failing. 5 quotes about time. If you love life, don't waste time. For time is what life is made of. Success is not obtained overnight. It comes in installments. You get a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, until the whole package is given out. The day you procrastinate, you lose that day's success. Yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Time is an illusion. Time only exists when we think about the past and the future. Time doesn't exist in the present, here and now. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. 5 quotes about happiness. If you can do what you do best and be happy, you are further along in life than most people. I have learned to seek my happiness by limiting my desires rather than in attempting to satisfy them. Happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it will elude you. But if you turn your attention to other things, it will come and sit softly on your shoulder. It's never too late. Never too late to start over. Never too late to be happy. Happy is the man who can make a living by his hobby. 5 quotes about success. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. If you really look closely, most overnight successes took a long time. 5 quotes about life. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what's one's destiny to do and then do it. In order to write about life, first you must live it. Sing like no one is listening. Love like you have never been hurt. Dance like nobody is watching. And live like it's heaven on earth. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. 5 quotes about mistakes. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. In order to succeed, you must fail, so that you know what not to do the next time. The successful person will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. If you are not making mistakes, then you are not doing anything, and I am positive that a doer makes mistakes. Creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. Art is knowing which ones to keep. 5 quotes about breakup. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. If you truly want to be respected by people you love, you must prove to them that you can survive without them. Someday, it's gonna make sense. When someone leaves, it's because someone else is about to arrive. Pain makes you stronger, fear makes you braver, heartbreak makes you wiser. 5 quotes about past. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Unfortunately, the clock is ticking, the hours are going by, the past increases, the future recedes, possibilities decreasing, regrets mounting. We are products of our past, but we don't have to be prisoners of it. 5 quotes about happiness. Happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, won, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. The art of being happy lies in the power of extracting happiness from common things. True happiness consists not in the multitude of friends, but in the worth and choice. Happiness is the only good. The time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is here. The way to be happy is to make others so. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. 5 quotes about life. You choose the life you live. If you don't like it, it's on you to change it, because no one else is going to do it for you. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Do not let making a living prevent you from making a life. Keep smiling, because life is a beautiful thing and there is so much to smile about. 5 quotes about past. The past was always there, lived inside of you, and it helped to make you who you were, but it had to be placed in perspective. The past could not dominate the future. The reason people find it so hard to be happy is that they always see the past better than it was, the present worse than it is, and the future less resolved than it will be. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Who controls the past controls the future. Who controls the present controls the past. Right actions in the future are the best apologies for bad actions in the past. 5 quotes about never giving up. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. When one door closes, another opens. But we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one that has opened for us. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it.